Hey everyone, it's Lainey and welcome back to another video on my channel, Lucky Marketing. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a thumbnail for your stream or a video like this one. Thumbnails are essential for getting viewers to click on your stream, so it's important to make them eye-catching and informative. For my thumbnails, I usually use Canva and I set the size at 1920 by 1080 pixels. The first thing you want to do is choose an image that represents the topic of your stream or video. It could be a screenshot of the game you're playing, a picture of yourself, or anything that's relevant. I like to go in and do some editing, mainly with adjusting the brightness and contrast. This is so that once I go in to add text, it will be readable, which brings me to the next step. Now, your text should be short and sweet. You'll want to include something similar to the title of whatever your video or stream is, and make sure the text is visible and doesn't blend in with the image. I typically like to add a black box or rectangle over the image to give the text some more visibility, as well as turning the opacity down on the shape slightly to blend it in a little. Design elements can also help make your thumbnail stand out. You can add shapes, icons, or anything else that suits your style. However, sometimes less is more, and you don't want to clutter your thumbnail with too many design elements. Something I like to do is choose icons or graphics that match the topic of what I'm discussing. For instance, my video from last week focused on streaming microphones, therefore I added some icons to match, but only usually add about 1 to 2. When you feel like your thumbnail is complete, you can choose to either save it as a JPEG or PNG and upload it to the platform you're streaming or posting videos on. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye everyone!